Well, what's up, guys? Sean of All Trades here, and we are back in Creede, Colorado once again. And we're up here at the Commodore mines, and they're doing some construction up here on the Bachelor Loop. So I don't know how long this is going to last, or if by the time you guys are watching this, if it's going to be completed with construction. But right now you can't go up. You can't see where they've got these signs. You can't take a motorized vehicle past there. So if you're going up, like let's say counterclockwise on the Bachelor Loop, down at the very bottom, it's got a sign that says no motorized vehicles past this point and do not enter. But I think they're letting vehicles that have gone around clockwise come down this. But anyway, as you can see, they're doing some construction. I can't really tell what it is they're doing, but I know they're moving a ton of dirt up there. So you never know what kind of projects they've got going on. Due to that issue, we just walked up here from the bottom at the OHV staging area. This time, got my brother out here, and then in the red tank is Maddie, aka Maddie for the Win, from my band Crazy Love Hawk, and then that's Shane over there, the farthest one away, from our podcast, Pains of the Plains podcast, which Matt is also part of. So you can definitely tell it's got a bit of a smokiness in the air from all the wildfires, and you can smell it too. But we're out here, that's the important thing. Alright guys, well, we just got done eating dinner at Kip's. Always a tradition, gotta have Kip's grill for the first meal. Got the Paluski as always. And now we're just walking down Main Street. We just went up to the top of Main Street, now we're on our way back. I think we're gonna go back to the car and then drive over to North Clear Creek Falls and check that out, because Matt and Shane obviously have never been. And we're gonna drive by it tomorrow, but it's gonna be dark when we pass it the first time and dark again when we pass it on the way back. So just figured it'd be good to go while it's daylight and check it out, because we don't really have anything else going on this evening. So we'll see you there. What's up, guys? We're over here at North Clear Creek Falls. There's Maddie. So we're out here actually right by the top. So they had the gate closed. We had to go over here, like going up toward Bristol Head, and park, and then we walked over on this side and we climbed on the rocks. So go on here, go to here. Now I'm just sitting here with my legs dangling off the big rock. See my fluorescent white legs. So something crazy that's going on out here right now is there's been wildfires over around Lake City. So like when you look at the sun, it's kind of diffused by smoke, but the whole Creede area has kind of a fog of like the smoke just kind of sitting around. It makes it's kind of been burning my eyes. My eyes have been watering ever since we got here because all the smoke in the air. Yeah, so I don't know how long we're gonna stick around over here. We kind of, you don't really have a lot going on this evening, so everything closes in Creede by like 8 o'clock, 7 or 8 o'clock, so not really a whole lot to do. So we're just kind of exploring a little bit, and like I said, we're here at Clear Creek Falls now. I think we're gonna go check out the view of the headwaters of the Rio Grande from here. So all right guys, we walked a ways down the side, the north side of the bank over here. So I don't know if you can see over here, these are construction vehicles, and they had the entrance to the parking area over here blocked off. So like I said, that's why we had to go toward Bristlehead Road and pull off and walk from this side. So I don't know what's going on with that, but we're trying to walk around far enough that we could see, you know, the top of the waterfall from here, but just can't get. This is the farthest point out to be able to get it from, and it's still not far enough, so I don't know. All right guys, so I kind of gotta watch my footing while I'm doing this because it's a sketchy area. But I think we're about to head back to the car and then go over to the scenic overlook for the headwaters of the Rio Grande. So that'll be interesting, especially with all the smoke, and then the sun's going right over. It's about to disappear over the mountain, so maybe we'll get a cool sunset photo over there. We shall see. So check this out guys, that cloud you're seeing right there above the horizon, that's not like cloud, that's actual smoke from those fires over there by Lake City. It's hard to pick up in the camera, but it's got really kind of a rainbow look to it. It's really trippy actually. And as you can see, the sun is almost down behind the mountain, but we're heading back to the car, tracking through all the cow poop over here. But it is definitely cooled off. It's cooled off about 20 degrees since we got here. But been over in this area many times, but I haven't been on this side of the waterfall ever, so it's definitely cool. What's up guys? We got here just at the perfect time. I'm about to turn this camera around. It's gonna blow your mind. Ready? Bam! Look at that. That right there is the headwaters of the Rio Grande. And all the smoke from the fires have given it some nice color. It's a nice color palette. Okay, headwaters of the Rio Grande. If you want to pause the video, you can read this and check it out. But there are some really cool mountains and passes back this way. It's beautiful. All right, do it again. Majestic. So here's another angle of that smoke cloud. Look at the colors. from the sunset. It's so beautiful. It's not a double rainbow all the way, but on one hand it's sad that it's smoke, but on the other hand it is pretty. Let's get one last look at this beautiful scene. I like it a lot.